Oh, cute. Mama. Your daughter's in the hall. Yeah, I should have my glasses on. I'm sure.
You definitely should. You never do.
You'll be able to see that. It's pretty big.
Once you get it open.
Once you get it, oh, am I gonna need a box knife too?
You might.
Yeah.
Get the box
We do
knife,
use
Katie.
fake boxes around here.
Yeah,
get the
for
box
everything. I didn't have it. Where's
Gregory.
Gregory?
Go get it for me.
Where's the box knife? You just had to get something heavy that my shoulder ain't gonna hold up to.
Don't cut nobody with that thing. Holy crap.
Or yourself.
Dramatic.
You're bleeding all over the place.
Yeah, go for it, Katie. Your eyes are better than mine. Good.
Styrofoam.
No. Is this in a bubble?
In a bubble.
A really cool bubble that they said that you want to keep, by the way. Just in case.
She still doesn't know what it is.
No. Help her out there.
Is it a laptop?
Yeah.
An Acer. An Acer.
Yeah. When you said that the other day, I was like, well, you got an Acer
Oh
in my head.
Goodness. These are a pain in the ass to
Just for them
replace.
to erase people's info out of, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's already ready, yes. It's ready to go.
Well, you know you're going to have to help me.
Go home and do it, yes. Yeah. We'll get it figured out for you. It's ready to go. It'll tell you everything you need to do.
Everything already.
Yes. It'll tell you everything you need to do. You got it in English, and then it's like, welcome, let's go. When you get your glasses on, it'll like walk you through all of it. It needs Wi-Fi.
Yes, you have to have special adapters and SUV
Is it
plugs and
touchscreen, babe?
everything.
No? There we go.
Please tell me a mouse will hook up to it.
Uh-huh. There we go, that's us. I'm not going to put our stuff in it. I don't want to confuse it. When we get you home, we'll hook you up to it, okay? Just shut it. It goes off usually when you shut it.
You got a little attached present.
Wow.
It says keep this in case something goes wrong because you want to be able to ship it back
Yeah, I'm gonna put it
in
back in
this. Yeah.